More traffic equals more sales, particularly if you have great products that are already selling. So naturally, if you can get more eyeballs on them from targeted free traffic, even better. So in this video, what I'm going to do is take you through how you can exactly do that and the steps you need to take in order to benefit from that traffic source. So let's get into it. This infinite traffic glitch actually forms part of my new Pinterest Profits training module inside the Products Accelerator. If you want to check that out, make sure you click the first link in the description below. So the platform I'm going to share with you is Pinterest. And the reason for that is because the hang time of a pin that can last 6 to 12 months is far greater than short form content where reels are only lasting for hours. But what are the other benefits of Pinterest? Well, there's 522 million active users every single month, and 90% of them are in the buyer mode. They are actively looking for something to purchase. And when you can put your price on there, it's a perfect way to get them to come to your store and buy your products. And of those 90%, of those 522 million people, 100 million of them are from the USA. And what I love about print on demand is how much work you can get done in shorter blocks of time. So having this as part of your workflow is a no-brainer. And like I said, the best pins are lasting 6 to 12 months, which is absolutely fantastic for your store. So let me share with you how to find out what the keywords are people are searching for and how you can build your own keyword-rich pins. So for this, you are going to need a Pinterest account. So make sure you get that set up. And what you can do is use PinClicks, which is the tool that we're going to use to do the keyword research. It's similar to eRank, what you'd be using over on Etsy anyway. So with Pinterest and using PinClicks, we can use those SEO terms for our particular stores and the products that we're selling, and then create our boards. And what I've done is use ChatGPT to help me with that process as well. So coming over to PinClicks, what I'm wanting to sell are these chopping boards. So in PinClicks, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to type in chopping boards into the keyword research. And now it's displaying exactly what I want to see. So chopping board, obviously that first term that I use, it's getting just under 32,000 searches. We can see if we're going through, there's other keywords that are going to help our product surface in those search results. So you go through, highlight the ones that you want to use. So chopping board gift ideas, chopping board design ideas, chopping board funny, chopping board gift. So what we're going to do is use all those in our listing. So all we got to do is, if we want to create lists as well, I suggest you do that, particularly if you're selling the same types of products. You don't want to be doing the keyword research every single time. So I'm just going to put in here, chopping board. We'll change that name up here, chopping board. All right, so let's go and use ChatGPT to create a pin description and also a pin title using those keywords that are going to help us surface in those search results. Okay, so in ChatGPT 4 is the one I'm using. This is what I've asked it to do. I've created a personalized handwritten chopping board, recipe chopping board for Etsy for a Mother's Day gift, and would like you to create a compelling and heartfelt Pinterest pin using the following as a guide. Please evoke deep emotion about family traditions and how this keepsake for eternity to remember those amazing moments shared together in the kitchen and sharing the food created. Then I've just copied and pasted the listing description. So if we go into Etsy listings, so all I've done is copied and pasted that listing that I've already used ChatGPT to create anyway. And then down the bottom, I've also said I would also like 5 title variations utilizing gift Mother's Day and the following for a total of 140 characters. Please include these keywords in the pin description. Chopping board, custom personalized wood walnut, gift for mum, Mother's Day gift. And that's what it's created for me. It's a little bit too long, so I got it to refine that back down to 800 characters. And then what you do is come back over to Pinterest and we want to create that pin. So from your actual profile, we want to go to saved, and on the right hand side is that plus symbol, hit pin. Then we're going to drag and drop our image into there. Awesome. I'm going to copy and paste this description. So it's quite simple. It's a simple process once you've got those keywords, which is awesome. And the title variations we've got, and they've got to be 100 characters each. There we go. Add the link. So we have to go over to Etsy for that one. Cool. Be on Etsy. Copy that. Bring that across. Choose the board that you want it to be a part of. So once you've created these boards, use ChatGPT to make sure these are all SEO rich as well. Kitchen decor, then type in different terms that you want or different tags to use as well. You can add your price, and once you're happy with that, then go publish. And it's simple. That's it. And then once you've pinned it, it's going to show up in here, and it's also going to start showing up in the Pinterest search results. So that is it. Get in there and get that extra free traffic. Now, if you love the idea of infinite free traffic to your Etsy store, then I'd love to invite you to the Products Accelerator, where I'm teaching you the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. And if you found value in today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because that'll show YouTube you are interested in my content, and it'll help show other people that are looking for similar content as well. But until then, if you want to learn how to optimize your Etsy listings correctly, watch this video next. Stay awesome.